Hello everybody, happy Sunday. It is time for Sunday setup. I just cleaned my microwave yesterday, literally. Anyway, I have some chili in the microwave that I just heated up from last night. It is 12 o'clock and I'm about to make me a grilled cheese sandwich to go with it. And then we are going to get this Sunday setup started. So I'm about to sit down and eat lunch really quick. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today is Sunday, so it is time for Sunday setup. I have already eaten lunch. It is almost 1 o'clock. I did sleep in today. I got a lot done yesterday, so I slept in a little today. So last night after dinner, I had started loading some of the dinner dishes. So I just need to put the rest of these dishes in there and start the dishwasher. I need to straighten up my youngest son's area and definitely make my bed. And I need to do a couple of loads of laundry and of course clean the bathroom because I did not make it there yesterday. So let's get started. So our first load of laundry is started, and then I will just have one more. And I'm gonna get started in the bathroom. This is always a struggle. I don't even know how all of this happens in just a few days' time. have one load of laundry going, and now we are officially done with the kitchen. Microwave and floor included. So I am going to get started on straightening up my son's area now. I did leave out his cleats and his football pants because he has practice this evening. And that's his tape for his finger because he broke another finger the other day. He literally acts like it's nothing, tapes it to the other finger, and continues to keep moving. This is where I keep my vacuum and mop and broom. I just stuck that fan back there out of the way. Well, hello. So his area is done. Now I'm gonna get started on my area and get my bed made because I like to bring the clean laundry and put it on top of my bed and fold it there. Today, that is another area done. Hi, baby. I have the blinds open for him, but he's too worried about me to enjoy the sunshine right now. Just casually playing Taylor Elmore's channel. So, my youngest son is the only one that I still have in school. He's in 7th grade this year. We will be remote for at least the first 9 weeks, which is nothing new for us. So I picked up his schedule the other day, and I have his little planner. I can't show you the front of it because it's got his school name on it. But we start school on the 17th, which is tomorrow. So I've got to sit down tonight and fill out his planner and everything that we are going to be doing starting tomorrow. So that should be fun. I'm going to go check on the washer and see if it's ready for me to change out yet, and then we will start on laundry. Okay, so I did switch out the washer and dryer. And that is it. We have no more laundry. Y'all, I look a hot mess, and when I say a hot mess, I mean that literally. I am sweating. But that is the last load in the washer. So while the first load is drying, because I have nothing else to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and start on my son's planner, matching his schedule to his planner to see what all we have to start doing tomorrow. And then I will work on getting the first load done and putting the last load in the dryer. And that'll be it. That's everything we have to do today. I am rushing through everything I have to do today so that I don't have to do anything tonight when I get home. We are going to my mama's house for dinner. My sister is cooking. I'm so very excited about that. So yeah, and if that's done early enough and I can throw a plate in here of what we have, I'll do that. But if not, you'll see it in my Wednesday's What's for Dinner video. But yeah, I'm gonna go start on his schedule. Just snacking and watching some Taylor Elmore while I put this schedule together. All right, I just put the last load of laundry in the dryer. I'm just gonna get these done. holiday setup. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, I will have a link to the Vlogust playlist in the description box below. And I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you are having a fabulous Sunday.